Comparing alternatives to the Bosch 300 series built-in dishwasher. When considering alternatives to the Bosch 300 series built-in dishwasher, two notable competitors are the KitchenAid Top Control 24 built-in dishwasher and the Samsung Linear Wash Top Control 24 built-in dishwasher. Here's a comparison highlighting their features, pros, and cons. Quiet operation. This model is renowned for its silent performance, allowing for use at any time without disturbance. Third-level utensil rack provides additional space for silverware and utensils, enhancing loading flexibility. Adjustable middle rack accommodates tall items like stand mixer bowls by allowing height adjustments, offering versatility for various dish sizes. Advanced clean water wash system ensures that clean water is circulated to dishes in all three racks, improving cleaning performance. Price point. KitchenAid dishwashers are generally positioned in the higher price range, which may be a consideration for budget-conscious consumers. Drying performance. Some users have noted that drying performance may not be as efficient as expected, potentially leaving dishes slightly damp. Linear wash technology features a sliding spray bar that moves in a linear motion, providing comprehensive coverage for thorough cleaning. Wi-Fi connectivity allows remote monitoring and control via smartphone, offering convenience and integration with smart home systems. Quiet operation operates at a low noise level of 39 decibels, making it one of the quietest dishwashers available. Installation requirements. Some users have reported that installation can be more complex compared to other models, potentially requiring professional assistance. Learning curve. The advanced features and smart technology may present a learning curve for users unfamiliar with high-tech appliances. Both the KitchenAid and Samsung models offer advanced features that rival the Bosch 300 series. The KitchenAid dishwasher stands out for its quiet operation and flexible loading options, making it suitable for households seeking versatility. However, its higher price and potential drying inefficiencies are factors to consider. On the other hand, the Samsung dishwasher impresses with its innovative cleaning technology and smart connectivity, appealing to tech-savvy users. When choosing between these options, consider your specific needs, preferences, and budget to select the dishwasher that best complements your kitchen and lifestyle.